Dear brothers and sisters, Prophet ﷺ said, a Muslim should not do at least 5 social evils. You are going to say, what are those? Yes, it has been reported in Hadith number 8.90 in Bukhari. Abu Huraira radiallahu anh reported that Prophet ﷺ said, be aware of suspicion, for suspicion is the worst of the false tales. Do not look for others' fault and do not spy. Do not be jealous of one another and do not desert or cut your relation with one another. Do not hate one another. O Allah's worshipper, be brothers as Allah has ordered you. The end of the hadith. Dear brothers and sisters, let us review these 5 social evils which the Prophet said a Muslim should not do it. Number 1, suspicion. If somebody carry out suspicion, misunderstanding develops even between husband and wife, between brothers and sisters, between mothers and daughters, and the fathers and the son. Is a very great social evil. Then, second thing, the Prophet said, don't look for the fault of the others. People try to find out what evil, what wrong the other peoples are doing. And this has been prohibited by the Prophet ﷺ. Thirdly, the Prophet said, keep sila rahimi, keep your relationship with each other. In another hadith, Prophet ﷺ said, whoever cut the relationship, he will not be able to even smell Jannah. He would not be able to smell the heaven. Number 4, do not hate each other. Because hate is a negative phenomena. It not only affects your health, it affects your relationship. Last but not the least, the Prophet said, don't be jealous. You will get what Allah has ordained for you. Don't look what the other person has it. Don't be jealous. Dear brothers and sisters, let me remind you these 5 things which the Prophet said, don't do it. Don't be suspicious. Don't look for the fault of the others. Do not cut your relationship. Don't be hateful and don't be jealous. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi